everyone. So what I'm going to do is I am going to show you how to do something called splitting your screen. So instead of you having like all the, different tabs and you have to click on each tab to kind of see what's in there, we're going to split our screen so we can have two tabs open right next to each other. So you might have like your Zoom meeting on your left so you can watch the teacher, look at their presentation, see what they're doing, as well as maybe on the right-hand side, you have Seesaw or you have Google Classroom opened up so that you can look at both at the same exact time and not have to have one hidden, okay? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to come up here to this button. If you see, if I hover over it, it says maximize. If I hover over it, I get maximize and minimize. Okay, so what we want is we want it in minimize mode where we can see here like the side. When it's maximize, it's taking up the whole screen. When it's minimized, I can still see some of the desktop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this about halfway over. Okay, so now I've got it pulled over. And let's say I have this right over here that I want to see as well. I'm going to click on the tab at the top and I'm going to pull it out. You're literally going to pull it out. Click and pull. And now I have two screens side by side. So you can have two things going on at once and you're able to see both of it. So what happens when I want to put it back together? I'm going to pick this up and drag it over again and put it back. I'm going to pick it up and pop it right in and it goes back. I could fix the size of the screen by either hitting maximize, okay, or I can click it and I get that little arrow and I can drag it all the way back over. So that's definitely one way to do it. Another little shortcut, if you didn't like the maximize or minimize, is exactly what's going on in this picture. If I click these three screens buttons at the same time, it's going to shift it. It's going to make it small and shift it over to the left. So it's the Alt button, which is next to the space bar, and then it's the two buttons up near the Enter button that are brackets, okay? So I'm going to, they're brackets and braces. So I'm going to click them all at the same time. And when I do that, it's actually Alt and then those two, a little bit after, it moved it over. So then now I would be able to move it back out, okay? And then that shifted it over again, so I'd have to pull it back. But all you do is you click the Alt, and then at the same time, the brackets and the braces, and it will minimize it. That's what they call it, minimize. It means to make something smaller. Minimize it and shift it to the left, so then you can pull out and open up. I hope this was helpful. Bye.